Now, Airfix have released a commemorative coin to remember VE Day, and they have sent me one free of charge, which I'm going to put up there, but I have ordered some kits so I can get another one, and they're giving them out for free when you spend over £60 on Airfix kits. As you know, I collect these coins. I've got the full set, I think. And this coin is very, very nice indeed. It's quite weighty. They've gone for the matte look on the back this time, not the glossy look. You've got the Airfix logo on the back, and you have this incredible detail on the coin itself. It's lovely. Airfix are also doing a bundle. It is the VE Day 80th Anniversary Fly Past bundle. There are 10 kits in this bundle, 3 red arrows, 2 Spitfire Mark 5s, 2 Lightning 2s, 2 of the new Typhoons that they released this last month I think it was, and you also get the Avro Lancaster. All these kits in 1/72 scale. Apart from the Lancaster, the other 9 are starter sets. They come with the glues, the paints and the brushes. Good price as well. Apparently retail price is £181.90, but you can get all those 10 kits for £99.99. And because you spent that money, you will get one of these coins as well. But yeah, if you do yourself a little bundle of, I don't know, 3 or 4 kits that come to over £60, you'll get this VE Day 80th Anniversary coin with it. They've got over 1,000 of these, so they're not limited to 500 or 250 like they do with the club coins. There's over 1,000 of these, and what's not to like to have something to commemorate VE Day 80th anniversary. And I guess it's one thing for this is to go and put this with the rest of my collection. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you are enjoying the content on this channel.